Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account for the League of Legends game. So let's get started right away. Now, in order to sign up and create a new account, you will need to use your web browser. So open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in riotgames.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Riot Games website. Now click on the sign in button at the top right corner and this will now take you into the sign in portal. You will now see the create account button at the bottom section. Go ahead and click on it and you will now be asked to choose your email address. You can either enter your preferred email address or you can also choose your Facebook, your Google account, as well as Apple, Xbox and PlayStation. If you click on the Google option, just proceed forward with your preferred Google account and now you will be asked to enter your date of birth. Just type this in and tap on the next button and now you will be signed up to your newly created account on Riot Games right away. Also make sure to check your inbox to see if you receive any verification email. If you find a verify button, you will need to click on it in order to verify your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Riot Games. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.